What the heck is that? It is dark as heck out. Like, oh my god. It's dark. I don't really know what the heck is going on. Looks like a storm cell. But yeah, that's pretty sick. There's the base of the storm. So yeah, you can see the rain. Jeez. Power's out? Oh. Dude, talk about a downpour. I didn't even think it's supposed to be like that storming today. It's just like, it's coming out. We're gonna, potential for flash flood. Gutters aren't really doing the work. This wasn't even supposed to be a video, but now it is. Like, oh my god, look at that. This is the heaviest rain I've seen in a while. And yeah, I'd like to think this is a montage because there's a cool storm cloud a couple days ago when I went bowling. So like, why not just put this in the same video as that? Because like, this short clip of dang, lightning too. This is a real storm. I didn't know it was. Oh my god. Yeah, I didn't think we were going to be doing thunderstorms, but yeah, this is insane. I'm also out of power, so this is nice. Can't really check the radar. Yeah, it's just coming down. It's going, oh man, this is getting pretty crazy. Alright, the rain's starting to taper. We got like a special weather statement. I won't even load because my power's out for some reason. I don't know what happened. Oh, clicking back up again. This is I mean, thanks for watching this, I guess. Like, this is so random. I didn't even know as they filming. I knew it was gonna rain, but not like this. So yeah, dang. If anything else interesting happens, I'll be filming again. Alright, what is up, boys? I'm at Hinsdale South. Just finished a workout and it's pouring. And this has been the theme of the day today, just pouring out of nowhere. It started before my workout and after my workout. I'm with one of my boys with me. He's been in the last video at Cane's. We might go storm chasing a little bit. We're gonna go to DQ. Don't know what's going on there. Some activities. So yeah, I'll let you guys know what happens. That's just a note. Definitely gonna. And tonight, like today alone, this is cool. But tonight, when there's actually gonna be a chance of tornadoes, but that's a squall line right there. And then there's the heavy rain, and that's the base.
You want to go there?
Why not? Like, I don't want to eat dinner yet. Let's just see what happens. There's gonna be another round later tonight too that might be worse. It's like floody. It's like dark too. Yeah, look how, oh my god, this is dark. I don't know what the hell we're driving into. It's just literally just darkness. Maybe we'll start to see like